Then on these charges, I order 4 days on the work program in lieu of any jail time. You pick which 4 days, right? So we're right now we're running Monday through Friday and we're running Saturdays. We're going to start Sundays, but we're not there yet. So I'm glad to hear you got some. Dennis Thick. Sir, are you going forward today without benefit of an attorney?
Pardon me?
Are you going forward today without benefit of an attorney? Says here you're going to plead responsible to a civil infraction impeding traffic, and a misdemeanor from March 18 would be dismissed. Is that your deal? That's the way you want to resolve today? Fines a cost, $200. Can you pay that today?
Well, the problem is,
Go downstairs. The cashier will smile when she takes your money. We'll get you out of here as soon as we can. You're welcome, sir. You as well. Rucker.
There you are, for the record, Jeffrey Bowles, half of it.
Morning.
Okay.
Thank you.
Hooper, not Charles.
So for the arrangement of the family, I can't this matter is reference. Can't give it to that allowing an unlicensed driver.
Good.
With the understanding the original charge would be dismissed.
All right, ma'am, did you discuss your rights and options with Mr. Bowditch today? Understand all that? You understand the possible penalty for the added charge? And understanding all of this, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to that charge?
Yeah.
I mean, you decided this is best for you. It's not because he said, hey, you got to do this. I got to get something to eat. No problem. No problem. But it's, you've decided it's best for you. Okay. So on August 12, 2025, did you drive a vehicle in Romulus? At that time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? I'll accept the plea if you're satisfied, Mr. Bowditch. I'll dismiss the original charge. What should I know about Miss Rucker before I sentence her?
I believe she's accomplished all she needs to get her license.
Okay. Any idea how close you are? Oh, you got it. You got it back. Good. Good. Are you working? Delta? How long you been with Delta? Okay. All right. Anything else you want me to know before I sentence you today? All right. Are you on a payment plan with us now? Current? Okay. Looks like your next one's due June 15th. Okay. All right. So today's money, you can just roll into that if you want to. I mean, you can always make extra payments. We'll take it. All right. What kind of shift do you work? What days of the week? What do you do for Delta? Okay. Oh my gosh, you must be as patient as. So what days do you work?
Monday, Tuesday. No, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday.
Okay. Okay. All right. So every Wednesday's off? Okay. All right. So on this file, what I do is I give you fines and costs. In your case, it's $600. And like I said, we can roll that into that payment plan. And then on these charges, I order 4 days on the work program in lieu of any jail time. You pick which 4 days, right? So we're right now we're running Monday through Friday and we're running Saturdays. We're going to start Sundays, but we're not there yet. So I'm glad to hear you got some midday or midweek days that you're off. Any questions about how that works? You pick 4 days. If you want to do 4 Wednesdays, you pick 4 Wednesdays. You don't have to bang them out. Yeah. I'm not going to wait 6 months for you to do 4 days, but you don't have to do them in a row. All right. So the days you pick, you got to be back here at 8 o'clock in the morning. Any questions? Go downstairs and take care of all that. Good luck to you. Cooper, Damon.
why put the silence then? Oh.
Are you going forward today without an attorney, sir? All right, I've got a piece of paper here that says you're going to plead responsible to an added charge of impeding traffic. The prosecutor wants me to dismiss the misdemeanor charge that was issued to you on July 23rd. Is that your deal? All right. I'll accept your plea to the impeding traffic. Fines and costs on that one, $200. Can you pay it today? All right, you also owe us some money on some other stuff. Are you on a payment plan with us?
Yes.
When's your next payment due?
That'll be good.
When's the last time you made a payment? Okay, so we can't have that. Gotta be weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. All right, so get something set up. Before you leave the building, get something set up on all that old money. Any questions? You're good to go. Have a good day. Kevin, is it Witty or Whitey? How do you say it? Witty? Oh, there's a B in there? Oh, there is a B in there. Come on up. I didn't mean to cheat you out of your B. Sir, are you going forward today without, oh, Mr. Bowditch? I'm sorry.
100%.
Did I ever tell you how Zelinus used to do me? I'd stand where you're standing, and Zelinus would say, "No, Mr. Whitby, you understand you have a right to a competent attorney or Mr. Oakley to represent you today." Without fail, he would do that to me, and the client would look at you like, but you know, it was funny. I don't think all my clients thought it was funny, would they? All right, back to business, Mr. Bowditch.
For the record, Jeffrey Bowditch, on behalf of Mr. Whitby. Mr. Whitby, could you tell us your name for the record? It's Kevin Whitby.
Thank you.
Please state time for ringing this matter. Also, yes, you drive this case, Your Honor, in this matter, Mr. Whitby. Pleading guilty to the charge of operating while physically impaired, with the understanding all the original charges would be dismissed.
All right, sir, did you discuss your rights and options with Mr. Bowditch?
Yes.
And did you understand all that good info? You understand the possible penalty for the added charge of impaired driving? And understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to that new charge freely and voluntarily today? All right, did you drive a vehicle July 14, 2025 in Romulus? Prior to driving, did you consume some alcohol? Was there a breath or blood test? Could we?
6. It's true, Whitby.
Okay.
No answer.
All right, and are you satisfied? All right. I will accept the plea to the added charge. I will dismiss counts 1, 2, 3, and 4 off the original complaint. I'm going to send Mr. Whitby downstairs. All right, looks like you're already on a bond, so we'll continue your bond. I'm going to send you downstairs. You're going to make a date with the probation counter to come back and be interviewed by a probation officer. Based on that interview, they're going to put together a report and a recommendation for sentencing. When you come back for the sentencing, you'll have a chance to talk to Mr. Bowditch about what's in the report. I will have looked at the report, and then the three of us will talk about the report and anything else you want to talk about before I decide what your terms of sentence should be. Do you understand all that? Any questions? Go downstairs and listen for your name. They'll call you up.
Two defendants appeared before Judge Oakley in Romulus District Court, and both cases were resolved through plea agreements rather than trials. The first case involved Ms. Rucker. She was originally charged with driving while her license was suspended, revoked, or denied. Standing beside her attorney, she agreed to a plea deal negotiated with the prosecutor. Under the agreement, she pleaded guilty to a newly added charge, and in exchange, the original charge was dismissed. Judge Oakley carefully questioned Ms. Rucker to make sure she understood the agreement and was entering the plea voluntarily. The court also noted that she had since obtained a valid driver's license, showing that she had taken steps to correct the issue that led to the case. After confirming all legal requirements were met, the judge accepted the plea agreement. A few minutes later, Mr. Whitby appeared before the court with the same defense attorney. His case also involved a negotiated plea agreement. Mr. Whitby agreed to plead guilty to an added charge of impaired driving. Before accepting the plea, Judge Oakley reviewed Mr. Whitby's constitutional rights, explained the possible penalties, and confirmed that he understood the consequences of his decision. Satisfied that the plea was made knowingly and voluntarily, the judge accepted the agreement. One of the more memorable moments came when Judge Oakley shared a light-hearted story from his own courtroom experiences involving another attorney, briefly bringing humor into an otherwise routine proceeding. Both cases demonstrate how plea agreements are commonly used to resolve criminal cases efficiently while ensuring that defendants understand their rights and the consequences of their decisions. What do you think about these plea agreements? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more courtroom case breakdowns and legal analysis.